Mandatory. Are you gonna take it or are you gonna torture me?
I'm
It's
gonna
the mandatory. And she's
And
gonna take the camera. Okay, we're going on an adventure. Are you ready for this? Okay. So this is what we did last night. This is, oh God. This is sausage. Sorry for all you religious people out there. And this is bacon. Now you wrap the bacon
why would
around
religious
the
people
sausage.
have issues with sausage?
Because I just said, oh God. Oh, I said it again. Here's pancakes.
Sure they're not eggs?
Here's pancakes. All these pancakes. And then potatoes. Yeah, potatoes. Yeah. Let's get a close up of that. And then juice next to my boobs. I wish you wouldn't film that. Ah! These are eggs that were just freshly made in that pan.
No, I'm serious.
This one.
I don't know why that.
And if we go over here, there's rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To do gravy.
Don't talk to me right now, no. Speaking of gravy, here's disgusting, I mean delicious gravy with sausage. Syrup.
Kat's gonna bring some of that too.
That is cereal. That is delicious with giant bowls. And Mike and Ike's, which are in a jar that's in
I
there.
did hear you and I promised to feed you.
Yeah.
You're gonna remind me of like a beer maid right there.
Do you feel sorry?
A beer man, yeah. Wait, hold on. Yeah.
Oh man. I spilled a little coffee on me.
My face itches.
Seriously, if the weather, Peanut,
What?
come on, ADD child, give me a little of your time.
What?
No,